In this video, I'll show you how to add hyperlink in Canva. You could add hyperlink in any types of Canva text, any types of Canva button, or any types of elements. Here in my canvas, I will show you first how to add hyperlink in a button, or how to add hyperlink in a normal text, or how to add hyperlink in a just icon or symbol. First, I'm going to my YouTube channel, and let's say I want to create
Welcome to digiWhisper,
this
your
link.
shortcut
I
to
want
smart
to
work and
add
brighter days. Hey,
this link as a hyperlink to my Canva project. So let's say first I want to add link to this button. Just click here and you will see the more option, and now you will see the link option. Click here and now paste your link here and now click done button. So now my text has been linked with my hyperlink. If I click here, I can see the link here. So this is the link. And now let's say I don't want to keep underline here. So to remove the underline, click here and now click this button and it will deselect the underline. Still my link is available here. So now I want to add link to this text. Click here, and now click the link button and paste the link or URL and click the done and click done. So again, this text is hyperlinked with my YouTube channel link. If I want to remove the underline, click here and click underline button, and now the link is still available but without underline. Now let's say I want to add hyperlink to this icon or this symbol. So again, right click here and click link button and paste the link you want to add. Now click done button, click done again. So now these three elements is with hyperlink. How we can see this? If we go to the presentation mode, we can see if I click here, it will redirect to us with the original link. Again, let's say if I click here, it will also redirect to the link we added
welcome to
the
digiWhisper, your short.
icon. If we click here, and it will redirect you to the YouTube channel,
Welcome
because
to Digi.
I added links or hyperlinks to these three elements. And now let's say we can download this with the link. Just make sure that you don't download it as a image version like JPG or PNG. If you want to keep the link in your document, you need to download it as a PDF standard. Just click here and now don't click flattened PDF, just click the download button, and now our file has been downloaded. We see this is our file, and if we click here, it will redirect to the YouTube. See, again, if we click here, it will redirect us to the YouTube. And again, if we click here, it will redirect to us to the link we hyperlinked in our Canva project. So this way you can add hyperlink in Canva in any of your element or text. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. I will check and reply your comment.